Alright, I'm making another video. I bought this new chain tool out. I've been wanting to buy one of these and finally bought one tonight. The Park chain tool, and I don't know if it would even work on here because you don't have hardly any room in here to work with, but we're going to go through it and see how hard it is to clean a chain and put new lube on it. I did this a while ago on my RCS and I was amazed. I'll have to admit I've already done it. Okay, you fill this container up to the line here, and then you kind of push the chain down in there. I didn't even think about it, but I guess get on your outside sprocket when you do this and it'll all work even better. That should definitely give you plenty of room. I'm actually on my 4th sprocket from the inside right now. Anyway, you hook it on like that and then let her rip. I haven't cleaned this chain since I got this bike, and there's several hundred miles on it. It's a fairly clean operation. I can see a little bit of oil down there by my rear tire, below my rear derailleur. I'll show it in a minute. But overall, it's not. I thought there would be oil or solvent dripping everywhere, and it's not. So that ought to be clean, I would think. Okay. Here's what came out. That's pretty gunky stuff. There we go. Anyway, so the main stuff, let me dry this chain off first. Takes a couple of rags. All right, here's what got on the floor. A little bit on my tire, not much, but anyway, it does make a little bit of a mess. I could have put a rag down there. I thought it was all going to be down here, but I guess it went in the different place. Anyway, that's it. The chain, if you can see it, looks really clean. So that's how long it takes to thoroughly clean the chain. I bought this stuff, I think I got it at Walmart. Anyway, it looked pretty good, so we'll try this. All right. There you go. That's how long it takes to clean and lube a chain.